Hello guys, my name is Anup Kumar. You're watching me. Let's start today's video without having any further delay. So in this video, I'm going to tell you what's actually happening in my today's routine video. So before going to start today's routine video, so this video is going to be the routine of day 254 of 16th August 2024. And yeah guys, so one I just only wanted to apologize before going to the start today's video. So I'm apologizing you just only that I'm unable to shoot the yesterday's origin video. Basically yesterday, sorry guys, I told you today, and I told you today. That's why I just only want to inform you that this video is about the 16th August, and I also told you 16th August after the today. Okay, so basically yesterday's video. Basically the thing is that yesterday was 16th August, and yes, basically yesterday's routine video I forget to upload, not forget to upload, just because of my busy schedule and some circumstances happen. That's why I was unable to shoot that routine video. So this video is going to be the routine of yesterday's routine video. After shooting this video, I'll shoot the present day routine video, that means 17th August. So guys, so from now if I tell you today, so that means 16th August, because this video is about to go into the routine of 16th August. So guys, let's start today's routine video without having the further delay. So guys, basically if I tell you, today I didn't do too much thing throughout the whole day. I was sleeping on the bed in the morning, and after that I wake up, and maybe I basically in the usual manner I basically brought my cloth and went to the ground floor. Maybe I brought my cloth, and after that what I had done, wait guys, I didn't do too much thing. Basically maybe I went to the bathroom, I don't know exactly about it. After that I washed my mouth, and after that I had taken the bath, and after that I worshipped in a very proper manner. After that maybe I ate food, I don't know exactly about it. After that I didn't do too much thing, I spent my time with my family. And after that I came to the first floor maybe, and I started studying. And so basically throughout the whole day today I made the notes, and that's it. And after that I didn't do too much thing. Maybe I watched the lecture, I don't know exactly about it. And at the time of afternoon, me and my mother trying to clean the room, and as well as the terrace of the room. I don't know what should I call, terrace or roof. I think you understand. It's my confusion that what should I tell, that what's the difference between terrace and roof. So yeah, that's the question, and yeah, I find out very soon. Okay, so yeah. After that I didn't do much thing. I helped my mother, and basically I tried to clean the terrace as well as the room. So after that after all the things happened, after that I had taken the bath, and after taking the bath I wore my clothes, and I didn't do much thing. I just sit down to the bed, and I have done rest. And after that I didn't do much thing. I ate food, and I watched it TV, I think, also simultaneously. Maybe I don't know exactly about it. So yeah, so basically this is the thing which was actually happened on that time. After having all the kinds of things happen, I want to sleep, but because on that time I was feeling very sleepy. But due to this some reason, I didn't went for the sleep. So the reason is simple, that so that if I sleep now, then how can I get sleep at the night? That's why I didn't sleep, so that at night I got to sleep very soon. So yeah guys, basically this is a thing which was actually happened till yet. And after that what I had done, I just started using my phone, and maybe I study, I don't know exactly about it. So basically this is the thing which was actually happened. And after that I went to the first floor to ground floor, and this all the things which was actually happened. Yeah guys, so basically this is the thing which was actually happening till yet. And after that what I had done, let me tell you exactly. Basically I came to the first floor, and I started sleeping, but after that I thought that so today I should sleep at the ground floor. So that after that I didn't do nothing. I went to the ground floor for sleeping. While sleeping I didn't do much thing. I just used my phone, and that's all the things which was actually happened. And yeah guys, after that, after using my phone, after that I got sleep. So basically this is the thing which was actually happened today. I hope you will understand till here. If you really understand till here, then kindly please like it, because if you like some videos it really motivates me and encourage me to upload more and more videos at a continuous manner. So without having the further delay, let's start daily learning of 5 or 10 words vocabulary learning. Okay, so let's start first way guys. So yeah guys, let's go into the our vocabulary. So our first vocabulary is at all. At all means guys bilkul bhi. Like similarly, we have one thing as not at all. That means bilkul bhi nahi. So at all means bilkul bhi. So मैं तुम्हें यह नहीं दे सकता. ये sorry why I'm using Hindi words too much. Like I started after telling the example I spoke like that. ये sorry guys. So मैं तुम्हें यह बिल्कुल भी नहीं दे सकता. I'll not give you, मैं तुम्हें यह बिल्कुल भी नहीं दे सकता. I will not give you, not at all, maybe. So बिल्कुल भी नहीं, not at all. So guys, basically I have some doubt in not at all. So let me circle it in example making nearby आस पास. So मुझे लगता है कि मेरे आसपास कुछ है. आई थिंक दैट समथिंग इज नियर बाय. अलॉन्ग मीन्स गाइस साथ में. क्या तुम मेरे साथ चल रहे हो? डू यू गो अलॉन्ग विद मी? एंटायर मीन्स गाइस पूरा. यह पूरा तुम्हारा है. इट्स एंटायर योर्स. 1 2 3 4 and the last word is guys scholar. Scholar means guys pandit. We also this I think the priest is also the pandit we call, and scholar means is also the pandit. वह scholar है, वह पंडित है. पंडित कहाँ जा रहा है? Where is scholar going? So yeah guys, this is the thing which was actually happened. So I hope you understand all the examples. And yeah guys, day by day I'm improving my English speaking skills. And yeah, I think that I hope you will understand till here. So yeah, so from now I'm decided that daily I will learn 2-page vocabulary. Okay, 2-page vocabulary. एक्नॉलेज स्वीकार करना, बेचैनी एंजाइटी, आत्मा सोल उत्सुक ईगर भक्त डिवोटी सांस, ब्रीथ ले आओ ब्रिंग आरामदायक कंफर्टेबल आश्चर्य वांटेड समझाना, एक्सप्लेन लिफाफा एनवेलप धीरज पेशेंस फुसफुसाना, विस्पर निश्चित रूप से अपरेंटली जरूरी एसेंशियल सचमुच लिटरली पीछे बिहाइंड या बनाना क्रिएट खटखटाना नॉक पास नियर अंधविश्वास सुपर स्टेशन परेशानी ट्रबल बहकाना मिसगाइड बहादुर ब्रेव कुमारा बैचलर इश्कबाजी करना इज फ्लर्ट लगाव अफेक्शन बदनाम करना इज डिफेम डांटना स्कोल्ड बेवकूफ नासमझ इज सिली. सो नीचा दिखाना ह्यूमिलिएट पहुंचाना इज अराइव. पहुंचना नॉट पहुंचाना, पहुंचना इज अराइव. विरोध करना प्रोटेस्ट निर्देश इंस्ट्रक्शन न्याय जस्टिस विचार थॉट. रोना क्राई भौंकना बार खिलाना फीड पकड़ना कैच बगल में बिसाइड के खिलाफ अगेंस्ट पर्दे कर्टेन्स पक्का डेफिनेटली आज रात टुनाइट हाल ही में रिसेंटली आधी रात मिडनाइट मुश्किल से बैडली के बजाय इंस्टीड नतीजा आउटकम पैदल ऑन फुट कांच ग्लास चश्मा ग्लासेस कपड़े धोने का स्थान लॉन्ड्री चोट इज इंजरी कमर वेस्ट जड़ी बूटी हर्ब्स बर्तन यूटेंसिल्स शिमला मिर्च बेल पेपर पालक स्पिनच मूली रेडिस उपयुक्त एप्रोप्रिएट. जागरूकता अवेयरनेस तरक्की प्रोग्रेस प्रारंभिक इनिशियल प्राचीन एंसाइंट प्रस्ताव इज प्रपोजल. संभावना पॉसिबिलिटी बातचीत कन्वर्जेशन आदत हैबिट बीमार सिक उपाय रेमेडी और वी कैन से सॉल्यूशन उत्साह इट्स एंथुजियाज्म जिद्दी स्टबर्न तालमेल कोऑर्डिनेशन थोड़ा इज लिटिल बिट या भाग्य इज फेट, हालत, कंडीशन, उम्मीद, होप, उलझन, डिलेमा और कंफ्यूजन। उचित, प्रॉपर। ऐतिहासिक, हिस्टोरिकल, खासियत, कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स, घूरना, स्टेयर, घाव इज वाउंड। इच्छा, डिजायर, झूला, स्विंग, डरपोक, कायर इज कोवर्ड। धड़कन, हार्ट बीट, धरती, अर्थ, प्रयास, प्रयास, एफर्ट, मासूम, इनोसेंट, अनिश्चित, अनसर्टेन, आलोचना, क्रिटिसिज्म। उल्लंघन, वायलेशन, इरादा, इंटेंशन, या आध्यात्मिक, स्पिरिचुअल, अपराध, क्राइम, अल्पसंख्यक, माइनॉरिटी। एकाग्रता, कंसंट्रेशन, आचार, पिक्कल, संघर्ष, स्ट्रगल, भेदभाव, डिस्क्रिमिनेशन, जाति, कास्ट, शपथ लेना, ओथ, वफादार इज लॉयल, खुजली, टीचिंग, श्राप, बोन, श्राप इज कर्ज, वरदान इज बोन। चुड़ैल, विच, अहंकारी, एरोगेंट, प्रतीत होना इज सीम, सत्यानाश, डैमिट, सुखदायक इज सूदिंग, या सूदिंग। आज़ादी, स्वतंत्रता, लिबर्टी, बौना, ड्वार्फ, कीचड़, मड, गड्ढा, पिट, धमकी देना, थ्रेटन, जुआरी, गैम्बलर। हल्दी, टर्मरिक, पापी, सिनर, दया, दया इज मर्सी। फौजी, सैनिक इज सोल्जर, घटिया, सॉडी, अजीब, विचित्र, वियर्ड। So yeah guys, this is the 2 page which I have learned today, and day by day, continuously I will start daily 2 page learning of the vocabulary, so that we can't forget any words, and all the words should be in the mind. Okay, so yeah guys, so basically guys, this is the thing which was actually happened today. I hope you really understand till here. If you really understand till here, then kindly please like it, because if you like some videos, it really motivates me and encourages me to upload more and more videos in a continuously manner. So let's end the video guys for today. So I think it's enough for today, so let's end the video guys. See you, bye bye.